Hola, soy George from Excel Travel del Egipto. Sumérgete en la tierra de Faraón, donde la historia de la magia cobra mía.
Why should we go to Egypt?
Egypt is a destination that nobody should miss.
Mm.
And it's stable, it's safe, people are lovely, they want to welcome, especially people from Spain. We love Spanish people.
Hola, soy Shakir de Across Morocco, empresa DMC basada en Marrakech, la ciudad de las esencias, de las especias. Os invitamos a venir a descubrir este país mágico.
¿Por qué tenemos que ir a Marruecos?
Es un país exótico, de contrastes, de cultura, de gastronomía, de bienestar, de vida nocturna, de modernismo y de autenticidad. Es un país que os abre las puertas cada vez que queréis venir a visitarlo, vais a descubrir algo nuevo.
Hi, I'm Mitri from DMC Arabia Kurban Tours. We are a DMC in the Emirates, Saudi Arabia, as well as in the Sultanate of Oman. We would like you to come and explore those destinations that offer new discoveries to see.
Why should we go to the Middle East with you?
Because it's happening in the Middle East today. Everything is just giant, big, rich, and people need to see.